Okay, so now it's time to go back to what we started at the end of yesterday's class. So at the end of yesterday's class, we were looking at this equation, which is a silver nitrate plus a copper solid, and it's going to silver solid and copper nitrate. And what we were talking about at the end of class was the fact that this silver nitrate is going to dissociate. It's an ionic compound, and when ionic compounds are in an aqueous solution, they dissociate, they separate. So it becomes Ag positive and NO3 negative. The same thing will happen with the copper nitrate over here. Okay, copper ion is 2 positive, and then there'll be 2 nitrate ions on this side. Okay, so if we look at just the silver, on the reactant side, it's Ag positive aqueous. And on the product side, it's Ag solid. So the silver is changing. And you know that from chemistry that things have to be balanced. And the charge here is positive 1. And the charge over here is 0. And the charges have to be conserved on either side of the chemical reaction. So what would we have to add here to make the charge conserved? Well, maybe we should add our good friend, our good buddy, the electron. Because if we add an electron on the reactant side, now there's one silver, net charge over here is 0, net charge over here is 0. All is balanced, except for maybe my camera. Then if we look at the copper on the reactant side is Cu solid. And on the product side, it's Cu2 positive, aqueous. So what do we need to add to balance the charge here? Right? Charge here is 0, charge here is 2 positive. It's always electrons that are being exchanged and moving. So we have to add electrons. We can't add them to this side because that'll make this side negative. We have to add them to this side so that now this side is 0, product side is 0, reactant side is 0. This is balanced. These are known as half reactions. Okay? If you look, it's a silver ion, a silver compound that's becoming a pure metal, pure silver. We know from yesterday and last night's homework that when that happens, it means the silver is being reduced, that this is reduction. And this is known as a reduction half reaction then. Let me adjust the camera so you can see that. And then if we look at the copper, it's a